Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with some cards today and see what we get. There is plenty for everyone, including me. The ocean of life is lavish with its abundance. All my needs and desires are met before I even ask. My good comes from everywhere and everyone and everything. I am proud of myself. I am positive energy, and energy flows freely through me. Wait, I am not meant to carry the world's weight on my shoulders. Some issues are meant for me to tackle, while some burdens are not mine to bear. Alrighty, which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do this one. Faith requires trust. Believe and trust that life has your highest good at heart. Move forward with faith. Affirmation: life supports me unconditionally. Rather than asking someone else to change, what could you do differently? It's a good reminder. Listen to the whole answer, not just the part you want to hear. What is it? Number 29. I am insightful. You're highly intuitive and creative. Your mind thinks in pictures and you seem to draw information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. People who make us happy and are hard to come by. Cherish them, honor them, and show them how much they mean to you. The last one today. What makes you feel calm? Calmer. Do it more often. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.